What's good, YouTube? It's your boy AC Coolin, aka Big AC, back again with yet another banger for y'all, man. Now today, we got another very special unboxing video for y'all, man. Another one of my personal favorite silhouettes. If y'all know by now, y'all know I love me some Jordan 4s, man. And we got another Jordan 4 here for y'all today, man. So sit back, relax, and stay tuned, man. Get comfortable for my review of the Air Jordan 4 Canyon Purple. Alright, y'all. Once again, man, the box itself is not nothing out of the ordinary, nothing crazy. It's your typical plain, Jordan 4 box. Only difference we got in this box is the size tag, man. That's because it's a woman's shoe, so it's a woman's 12.5, which is equivalent to a men's 11. So yes, these shoes do come in extended sizes if you ain't know by now. So it goes up to, I think if I'm not mistaken, a woman's 16.5. I don't know what that is, a men's, but I'm pretty sure if you wear that size, you definitely should know what that is. So if you want this shoe, you in luck because it's extended sizes, so it's enough to go around for everybody, man. But enough about that box, enough about the size. Let's get into the boxes. Let's get into these shoes, man. Right off the back, man, you got a real beautiful Jordan 4, man. Like, the colorway, in my opinion, is hands down like top tier, man. Only issue I got with this colorway is just green around the midsole and green on the bottom, man. I don't know what they did with this. I don't know what they was thinking with that green, but me personally, I could do away with that green. They could have did something else, did like a different color that matched up well with this purple and put like little orange speckles all through it, instead of like the little black speckles. But hey, that's just my opinion. I'm not a part of Jordan creative design team, so I don't get no say so. I'm just a consumer just like you are. We all sneakerheads here, or we all, enjoy sneakers, so we gonna have our opinions on them. My personal opinion, I could have did away with this green on the bottom and did a different color, but hey, that's just me. But once again, though, I do like the fact that, that orange on here, though. That orange and this purple together, it blends like so well together, man. Like, this would have been a perfect shoe to release around like October, like Halloween time, which I think it was the original release, but it got pushed back to December. So, maybe next year around Halloween, if y'all shoes ain't already beat up, run through the ground by then, y'all can put y'all little fit together for Halloween next year and, pop out with these, man. Like, this is a real nice shoe in my opinion. Another thing about the shoe that stands out so much to me is how hairy this suede is, man. Like, this is some real top tier, like, premium suede in my opinion. Like, I don't know about y'all, I don't know how y'all feel about suede, but me personally, I like suede shoes. Of course they hard to clean because of how, like, especially these, how hairy it is. Like, if you get something out here, you really gotta go hard in cleaning these ones, man. But besides that, it's definitely, a top tier, like, material wise shoe. I'm also surprised that this shoe wasn't like a higher price point, like a $225 or $250 shoe. It's just a regular, I think, $200 shoe, like typical Jordan retail, which is, I'm shocked that they didn't, try to do nothing crazy with that. I'm pretty sure if they had, like, I think what would have made them do was something different is if they had like a different color on this part. I think maybe this color right here, they probably knew like people ain't gonna pay for this shoe because of this color right here. So that might have been, what they was thinking about when they made the price for the shoe. Who knows? I don't know. But it don't come nothing crazy, It does come with extra laces. Mine fell off because I got tired of messing with them, so they eventually fell out. But it's just black laces, nothing crazy. Orange, in my opinion, orange laces with this shoe would have definitely stood out, man. It would have definitely made the shoe pop so much more. But they decided to go with black, which, I guess it's cool, but me personally, I feel like orange laces would have made this shoe look so crazy, especially when it already has orange accents around on the Jumpman itself and on the bottom Jumpman as well. So that definitely would have made the shoe, definitely pop way more than what it already does. Especially since, it has the orange around, like, the tongue itself. And the tongue is also real soft, I guess because of the suede, but it feels like a little bit more puffier than typical Jordan 4 tongues. Now, I might be wrong. Maybe you got the shoe in hand, you probably like, what is this man talking about? It's the same kind of tongue. I don't know. Me personally, this is how I feel to me. So maybe you got him in hand, y'all feel something different. But for me, it feels a little bit more puffier. But I might just be tripping. Y'all let me know down below in the comments if I'm tripping, if you got the shoe in hand already, because I could be. But like I said, man, this is a shoe you can really get like a lot of dope fits off with, man. Like a lot of crazy fits can get off with this shoe. At the same time, you can also look crazy with these shoes on. You put the wrong kind of fit on. So keep in mind, you know, what y'all rocking with these shoes, because you don't want to put nothing crazy on. Y'all going outside thinking y'all fresh, thinking y'all fly. People like, what this man got on? You know what I'm saying? So keep in mind your fits with this shoe, because you know you can't get a lot of crazy good fits out. You can get a lot of crazy bad fits out at the same time. So just keep that in mind when y'all rocking these jumps, man. But once again, in my personal opinion, this is definitely a solid colorway, real nice. You know, the suede is so top tier in my opinion, like so premium, man. Like this is some good, like buttery, like hairy suede on this shoe, man. Like the last shoe we had that had suede like this, if I'm not mistaken, was the Travis Scott 6 British Khakis. That's the last shoe I can remember that had like some real hairy suede like this. Other than that, not too many shoes had like, or Jordans at least, had suede like this on the shoe. Especially not on Jordan 4. I don't really know too many Jordan 4s that got like a real thick cut of suede, you know, long suede like this. But I could be wrong once again, so if I'm missing this shoe, y'all let me know down below what shoe I'm missing, because I don't think any other shoe that came out, you know, recently, Jordan wise, had suede like this. But once again, man, real beautiful shoe. Only issue, like I said, is just this bottom part, man. If they could have did something different with this bottom, this green around, you know, like the midsole and the bottom of the shoe, they could have had, you know, could have had a real winner with this shoe, man. But it's still, in my eyes, still a winner. It's just that green throwing me out. But other than that, the shoe is real nice, man. Real nice colors. The colors blend well. The orange and that purple, even the black on the back of it is a nice little touch to the shoe. So, you know, it's a nice shoe. Once again, it's just the green is throwing me off. Other than that, 10 out of 10. But since it got the green, I'm gonna give it like a, I would say, maybe like an 8.5 out of 10, just because of that green in the bottom of the shoe. But y'all let me know down below how y'all feel about these shoes, man. If y'all like them, if y'all want to rock them, if y'all gonna go for retail, if y'all gonna pass on them, y'all let me know, because in my opinion, it's a cool shoe. You know, it's something I can just put on with a decent little fit. But other than that, nothing too crazy or out of the ordinary. It's just a, you know, your typical Jordan 4. But once again, man, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, man. Always, you know, tuning in to my videos. Always leaving them likes, you know what I'm saying? Always commenting, man. And make sure y'all smashing that like button, man. Make sure y'all subscribing to my channel. Make sure y'all tell a friend as well, man, because this channel is constantly growing, man, and it's growing because of y'all. Y'all, you know, y'all tuning in, y'all subscribing, and y'all probably sharing my channel as well. So with that being said, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, man, and always, you know, keeping me going, keeping me motivated to keep making these videos for y'all, man. 'Cause I'm gonna keep putting this content out for y'all, man. I guess some more videos on the way, plenty more videos on the way, matter of fact. So y'all stay tuned, man. Like I said, make sure y'all subscribing and telling people to watch this channel, man, 'cause I got a lot of heat coming on the way, man. Once again, y'all, I appreciate y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all on my next video, y'all. Peace.